Hi everyone, my name is Risha. Today is the 3rd of November 2024. I'll be going over week 42's results for the SPY front testing strategy. Now, without further ado, the first day we had a buy signal where we would have lost $3,067.75 or 0.301%. On the 29th, we would have had a sell signal where we would have lost another $3,371.52 or 0.332%. Next, we would have had a sell signal where we would have made a profit of $2,234.88 or 0.218%. Next, on the 31st, we would have had another sell signal where we would have made a profit of $12,234.56 or 1.197%. And on the 1st of November, we would have had a buy signal where we would have made a small loss of 0.051%. For this week, we started the week at 2.729% in cumulative return and ended at 3.461%. Similarly, our alpha increased from minus 14.317% to minus 12.215%. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.